Wamaya game on. Theater, Amika, man, she's a loose. Theater, baby, you ever sunu. All the area person, or who's man, are you that they cool? Theater, Wamaya game on. Theater, Amika, man, she's a loose. Theater, baby, you ever sunu. All the area person, or who's man, are you that they cool? Oh, babe, you can't see go. Anytime you come around, now you the best they take away. Oh, babe, she can't see go. I be better now, who do man, now you be a take away. And when I see no girl who say 200 I'm wherever I no get the festa. Can I begin at the jare, every kekanapa? Or I can wear your way, I say to no get to I'm in love with Don Jazz, still let's queen. On a siokwe WhatsApp, shoot me pee. I don't fuck your wife, that's in my feed, Facebook, or wait on TV. On a siokwe, I said, I saw that what I should tell the way. Guess not the friend boys again. Let's see, I don't take your bed. It will move us your way. Hey, I get your walk and work a lapi. Don't want to get a fucking. If you win, you're not, I'm going to get a photo. He can be a lucky. Wamaya game on. Theater, Amika, man, she's a loose. Theater, baby, you ever sunu. All the area person, or who's man, are you that they cool? Theater, Wamaya game on. Theater, Amika, man, she's a loose. Theater, baby, you ever sunu. All the area person, or who's man, are you that they cool? Oh, babe, you can't see go, babe. Anytime you come around, now you the best they take away. Oh, babe, she can't see go, babe. I be the kind of wood man, now you be a take away. Cannot rip Paris, cannot papa. She need a kind of guy, no setting no you papa. The money can when you go, I can't tell you what. This kind of thing, or you can put the house or so. They no get palace, but now you the settle matter. Talk when you talk, you don't know say if it costs. So fresh, so clean, yeah, monkey face no. Oh your back there, oh your solar bet. Who be you? You know put a massive way out there, but now you declare my pastor and tell you there. If you got no you do more with your sword, you declare we are no show. Man, you give me a do. I want chop this like that, get your summer fuck what you say. You got been on the coin, they been okay, code. If I lie, you're a girl, you ain't the alias again.
Hello guys, good evening. This battle is not for me alone, it's for all Edo people. I'm going to speak English because I want the authorities to listen to what I'm saying. Eddie Murphy, Enogie without Osadaye, Richard Ago, and the rest of you guys extorting money from Edo people, blackmailing them online because you feel they are ashamed to speak up. I'm here to speak for all Edo people. See, we know what you guys are doing. Una go see small girl, now say she dey do ashawo, make she come dey pay una every month, so that they collect money from their hand, so that I'm not gonna bring that picture come out online. Every Edo person should not be afraid of them. These people are idiots, and they need to be dealt with. I don't know who they are, and I don't want to know who they are. They are motherfuckers. They are siphoning my Edo people, and I'm not happy about it. Una carry people picture come internet when they say man a shentro, that one a prostitute. Now they collect money from their hands. They tell woman that go make well at ya. Now they do it must stop. Oh, my Edo people, we must join hands together to make sure these people enter inside their house. Make them enter house. They are thieves. They are criminals. They are blackmailers. They will come and they will cook up stories. They go talk with never put for person. They will cook up. Who make them judge? Now they get person life. Who make them judge over people? They will come. They don't know Basharo. They don't know Bunda Yukpo. They don't know Shentrono. How? Who made you judge over people? Why are you people blackmailing them? Why are you doing cyber bully? Why are you bullying my people? Please, guys, you people need to share this video. I want it. I'm not going to delete it. I want to speak English so that all the authorities can hear. The German police, the Nigerian police will hear about this. These people are the real people behind the human trafficking. You see the Murphy go right, human trafficking must stop and lie, and just to collect money from people's hand. So that they go, they fear, they can't give them money. Now make it how you go gear. Who is the Murphy to tell you to? Who is the Murphy to talk to you? has to stop because it don't too much. Osas, my brother, Osas Creative, I see you. This has to stop. They are extorting people. People are hiding. People are crying. People are sick every day. Some people don't even get BP because of these fucking people online. They go say if you not give me money, I go bring a picture come out for internet. I go tell people say you be Ashago. I go tell people say you be Shencho. Ema arigonia. Kuya voye ya de karowet ya blishek me ya. Igibaya doing nekbiya. Small children we say they come Europe come also for their family. And the mofi muyare show pitching on internet. See this one Ashago, that one this one. That e palago go lareo e panepa power. Walking away, boy. I used to say they take come abroad. I was your bajevo. You think we don't know what people are doing? People not free for internet again. This is my boyfriend. This is my girlfriend. Nobody's free anymore. Nobody's free. Everybody's hiding. We are all hiding. Everybody's hiding. I'm saying they are scared to show their real self. Oma ajiku, boyfriend of one. I'm not talking kiss while we're buying on social media. My people are no longer free. This is the time for liberation. And I want you all to support me. Let us liberate ourselves from these people. They are not our God. Not be their creators. Not be they buy us MB. Not be they get social media. They give themselves name. They call themselves names. Now so they get they call themselves names. Saying so they be this and so they be that. My dear, my brothers and sisters, if you don't know some, this is the time to tell them fuck you. If they see you for road work, they do road work, they carry you come out, tell them fuck you. They go let bring a picture come out. What they want to do? Then you will sue them. See, I have a page. I'm already patient. Follow me on my page. Write me, inbox me. I will defend everybody. They are all done too much. Enough is enough. And the Murphy has a pending case. And you think we are joking. We are not joking. That video I did today, people should keep sharing it. Keep sharing it. It must get to the authorities. And no guy has been threatening me on my Facebook. And no guy never fist, never beat. You people are bullying my people online and I don't like it. I must stand for my people. I can never let them be suffering the way they are suffering now. Other people are suffering on the internet. They cannot post anything. You people bring that picture out. Nothing they will do without you people condemning them. You don't know I matter what to carry matter can't give you. I wanna be. People they give you money, they beg you now. Baba la, me picture la dans internet la, me 50, me 100 euro ni ogbuwa. Igo ni wa miya eni ho agbuwa. Edu wa fe ko sene. No win your the Murphy. You say you know who kill Ejiro. You must provide that for us. You never know what you jam. You never know what you jam. You don't know what it is to say somebody murdered someone. If you know what it be, you no go ever try for your life. I go mark with me. See, when I was in secondary school, I was the head of my school. I was a head girl for the full school. I think control the full school. You're too small. You are your stupid and not too small. You be children. Everything I take personal. Education I personal. For knowledge I personal. For wisdom I personal. You don't know if I deal with any then your one hater, you fat. You dey fuck. I be woman. I've not fucked before. I don't understand. So this is the time for Edo people. People should share it. Eddie Murphy. Let him be watching this my video now. Let him be watching it. And I'm already working on it. Eddie Murphy, you will be served. You and Sadaye Richard Ago. We go serve on a paper and I go no say kaki pass leather. Una come online, una come dey insult people any on like. They don't ba wekia o, they don't ba uwe, they don't ba ge o, they don't ba na eshencho wa no wa mu go ko. They don't ba no ba asha wa no wa mu go what can wa. Are they living their life for you? So somebody cannot live their life again without you people pop nosing into it. How is somebody's private life your fucking business? Oh, what do I for I'm begging all Edo persons, don't be scared of them anymore. My Facebook is filled up, but I have a page. My page is Omori page. Follow me on my page. If you have a problem, write me. See, there's a way you follow people. We go follow now. That the German police will come and look for you. That's why I'm speaking English. Because I know that they are watching. The case is already with them. They are following people. You are the real human traffickers. Eddie Murphy, Enogie, you are the real human traffickers. You are the one trafficking girls and making them live a life of bondage. Collecting money from their hand, extorting their money. You are not working. How do you get money to live? They want to get some with that migo. You are getting money from this girl's hand. You are the men. Oh, Baba, I have Facebook. Why I live a life for what? This will be the end of you. I'm telling you. You don't know. I'll be following you. You probably want siphoning. You take Mama, I see you. Thank you so much. You probably want siphoning my people. Those are living in bondage overseas. Those are not free anymore. And enough is enough. Enough of this shit you people are doing. This one will be your end. We are going to follow you tail by tail. Memoir. I just come and you say you lie. Now normal lie you go one lie. Any be megbe. I dey write script. So I know when una dey write script. No, people are scared of them. I'm telling you. Of these small girls, maybe say just come Europe. Boys say they fear. Men they don't put their picture for social media. They fear. They give them money. They are extorting them. They are the real human traffickers. And I'm telling you guys the truth. Una go see, by the time police go investigate, they go see say if una check their accounts, thank God there's a record. Una go see and say many people don't give them money. They don't send them money already. They have been sending them money. This time I'm going to deal with them squarely. You say you know who Killere Jiro, Eddie Murphy, and Osajaye Richard Hago, because me you were no gay, because when they bid, I don't even know who give you that audacity to give you that name. Why I said do go nowhere, I don't no get nowhere. Because that one I see finish. That one I insult to the Benin Kingdom already. Say you they give yourself name where belong to person where say about they give beat to now when when you reach house they go ask you question. Yes, they go ask you question. You are siphoning my people, you are bullying them online, and I will not be a party to it. We must put an end to cyberbullying. I see your business. Again, I shall know all Yagbashawo, or you way Yagbashawa. About Seboy, Madame Hero, where can we come and Nigbashawo? Where can we come and Nigbashawo? Is it your fucking business? That is their private life. Oh no, we are a private life in your can't wear. So why are you bothered about these people? You will come out, you will be you. To say, waiting the this way put since about that you must everything must stop. Eddie Murphy Lawa, enter house. May you go train your pikin. I will put my number here. People should add me on WhatsApp 08051122223. I'm on WhatsApp 08051122223. So you people should stop being scared of them. They cannot do short nothing, nada, nothing they fit do. Pastor, they come carry a picture, come out for short. They not get right. Nobody has the right to bring out a picture on the social media to come and talk shit about you. Nobody has the right. Everybody has their private life to live. Let people be comfortable. Let people live their life. Another person again, Niger Watch. I know you too well. Oh. Now UK here that you did. Niger Watch. And this motor your career go put for you to win. Person private life. You to get to Wagwaligo. Get to Wagwaligo. Why I'm for you to be? Enough is enough. My people, we need to join hands together to stop this cyber bully. This is cyber bully. They are flagging the video. If they flag, I will see come back. Now they may not gain any winner. What is they want to do? They should stop this. They should stop cyber bully for Christ's sake. Stop bullying my people. My people are suffering in the hands of these social media wizards. This social media idiot, people are suffering in their hands. People are no longer free on the internet. That I'm speaking English. On Facebook, will know what I'm talking about. Eddie Murphy, Edo reality talk show, whatever. They should stop bullying my people online. They should stop it. Cyberbullying is a crime. Cyberbullying is a crime. Stop extorting money from my people because you are because you are on the internet. Don't do that. I'm speaking English now, so they will know the content of this video. Stop extorting money from my people. Stop cyberbullying. Stop blackmailing them. I hate blackmail. I don't like blackmail. Don't stop blackmailing my Edo people. I don't like it. Eddie Murphy, stop blackmailing my Edo people. Stop bringing their name on your social media and be insulting them, be talking about their private life. Eddie Murphy, enough is enough. Stop blackmailing my Edo people. I don't like it. I hate blackmail. People are no longer free on the internet because you bring their name out on the, and you don't bring person name come a favor. Mama T, Mama, is it your fucking business? Why should people's private life be your business? So you guys should share this video. Let it get to him. Let him know. Now me, I'm not hiding behind anybody. I've been saying it from day one, and I'm ready to stand for my people and stand for the truth. Yesterday, Eddie Murphy came out. Eddie Murphy came out yesterday and was claiming he knows who killed our actor who died 9 years ago. He said he has the audio and the video of the people who of the assassins who killed our actor. I'm begging my Edo people right now. I have the video on my wall. All of you should share the video until it gets to the IG of police and to the German police. The German police must be aware of this hoodlum they have in their country. This hoodlum, this thief they have in Germany, hiding inside his room. All his mates are going to work every day. He hides behind the camera to insult people, to siphon people, to collect money from people. That is what he does for a living. And people are supporting him. It is high time we stop it. It is high time we stop these people from siphoning our Edo people. Osadiaye Richard Ago. Idaosa Murphy, I don't know what your name is. Eddie Murphy. And the rest of you, all of you, one by one, should stop extorting money from people. Stop bringing out people's name on the internet. People are doing great job on the internet. You can see Uyo Sunde talking about the history of Bini on the internet. John Osage is helping people on the internet. Why you say una own na to come destroy my people? Why are you people destroying Edo people? And now they claim so now they help about the repair Edo. How are you helping about the repair Edo? When you bring out people's secrets and put it and lie on top of their head. Why you people lie on their head and make people believe this is true? You are killing my Edo people. I'm not happy. I am not happy at all. My Edo people should be free on the internet. Like every other person. Every Edo man, Edo woman should be free on the internet like every other person. We are no longer free. You cannot dance on the internet. You cannot wear fine clothes. We are no longer free on the internet because of this social media madness that is going on. Eddie Murphy, I'm squarely ready for you. But I have you must answer us. No matter what, you must tell us who killed Erejiro. You must tell us who killed Erejiro. It is clear. You cannot escape it. You cannot escape that. You must tell us who killed Erejiro. You and Richard Osadaye Richard Ago. You must tell us who, because two of you were there. In the court of law, there's what we call aid and abetting. Osadaye Richard Ago was aiding you yesterday. You were there, saying you have the audio record and the video record of those who killed Erejiro. We need it. We need to know those who killed Erejiro. Whether you like it or not, you must bring out that person. You think you are in Germany, nobody can catch you. The German police, I'm saying their name because I know they are following, they are tracking you already. The German police must come and investigate you. You need to be investigated because you are siphoning my people. You are siphoning my people. Nobody is free on the internet anymore. Nobody can do anything on the internet anymore because now your kind of person matter now kind of put for head. They call person name come out. Favor Ramoji, come outside. You must call me. Come, who make you judge? Oga Eddie Murphy. Oga Osajaye Abima Niati we only Caro White. And the other people. Nobody made you judge. When the real judge go come, all of una go bagger. Na me talking. Now don't too much. Now cup it don't full. So guys, this is what is happening online. They are extorting money from people. They are taking their money in blackmailing them, telling them, I know what you they do. If you not give me money, I will bring your name come out for internet. Those not go they pay them. It is not right. It is not the best thing to do. So I beg you guys, let us come together, drag one rope, and see what we can do. You accused somebody of killing Erejiro, you provide that person. You accuse Sandoka of killing her father. You will go and tell the family how Sandoka killed her father. So that is it for today. I don't want to stay long. I just want to tell you people what is going on. So you people should not be scared. No matter what, don't agree to cyberbullying. Cyberbullying, you should not agree to it. If you naked, they won't give you a picture. Maybe they put on. If I get 2 days, you have a miamiane. Eddie Murphy no go na ya naked evedo. Ya naked evedo na. He wear posters for palace, but today on call. Now they talk for internet. So I beg, make una not they fear them anymore. Not to they fear them. I cause some way they grow wings. So please, guys, I'm begging you, let's come together, stop the fear, and face your fight yourself. You have the freedom to whatever you want to do in your life. Now your life, now you get your life. Nobody gets your life for you. Be responsible for yourself. There are those on the internet, their life is miserable because of Eddie Murphy, Osajaye, Enoge without no, Enoge, Caro White, Enoge without no beach, Enoge without no palace, Caro White, Enoge, and in crew, all of them, they don't make people like, they don't come you today, talking about people's personal life. It is very wrong. It is not the right thing to do. So you guys should please, I'm going to leave this video here because I'm already working on something. Then they will shock. Then they say they go shock. They don't know the power of internet. Go to my wall. You will see my video where Eddie Murphy said he knows who killed Erejiro. Help me to share the video, please. Thank you all so much. God bless you for watching. Help me share this video. Thank you so much. Cyberbully. Okay, guys. I love you guys. And if they come out, I go come out. You're not going to see me anytime. I fit come out again. On normal level. I'm ready for them. This is a war that we have to fight together. Well, let's say thank you guys. I see you guys later. Love you.